Using the Debt Snowball feature in MoolahPlan allows you to organize and begin to confidently begin paying off your debts. In this video, we will walk through how to get started using the Debt Snowball feature. Before we start, I want to point out that the Debt Snowball method is a step-by-step debt payoff strategy. You start by focusing on paying off the smallest debt first, then once the smallest debt is fully paid, you move on to the next smallest debt. You continue to apply the minimum payment from the previous debt to the next one, accelerating your progress. Let's see this in action. Start by clicking the Debt Snowball menu icon. Once the page loads, you will see the option to add a debt account. Add start date and amount. There are also instructions on how to use the Debt Snowball feature. With MoolahPlan, you enter the name of your debt, the current balance, minimum payment and interest rate. Provide your start date and monthly payment amount. Once entered, the Debt Snowball feature provides you with a personalized monthly payment plan. I have displayed on the screen a typical example of a student loan breakdown. Group AJ has a current balance of $29,395.38. Group AK has a current balance of $3,500. Group AL has a current balance of $6,000. And Group N has a current balance of $1,134.24. The minimum payments total $196.16. Let's see this in action. I want to point out that once all your debts are entered, you will see the minimum payment displayed on the budget page as a negative value. In order to update this, we need to update our start date and payment amount. For our example, currently for the monthly spending money, we have $1,373.67 to work with, in addition to the $196.16. Let's see what our payoff date would be if we put another $200 towards our debt repayment plan. I want to point out that just paying the minimum payments we would be debt-free by 2071. In MoolahPlan, we enter $396.19. We will leave the start date of January 2025. With the extra $200 payment to start our snowball, our debt-free date is now May 2036. MoolahPlan provides you with a Debt Snowball summary. This summary gives you the monthly payments that need to be made each month to stay on track. MoolahPlan also provides you with debt payoff details that shows you the total months for each account. And on top of all of those details, you would still have $977.51 extra to spend each month on groceries, gas, and other variable expenses. Best of luck on your money management journey. Thanks for watching.